Okay, so let's update you guys on the project right now. The 4 plates on the rear subframe are done. So let's take a quick look at those. So that's your driver front. In my opinion, pretty good. Rosette welds are done, stitch welded in a couple places. I probably stitch welded in too many places because the factory doesn't even use that many, but I mean, more is better, I guess, without warping anything. There's the passenger front. Again, all the rosette welds are done and all the stitch welds are done. We'll take a look in the back. This is what I finished just now. So we got the driver rear and then the passenger rear right here. So again, I went lighter on the stitch welding on these plates just because on the front ones I did them first and I gave a lot of time in between, but these I kind of just tacked or stitch because stitches are stronger than tacks. But anyways, moving on, I still need to do the rear trailing arm pockets, which are these guys. So gas tank not removed, so I'm gonna have to put a welding blanket by there. And then the pain in the butt part is gonna be the seam sealer. So I gotta get that stuff out. Otherwise, it should be just like before. It will be a little bit more difficult because it's 3/16 thick metal to this 16th gauge on the body. But hopefully we don't really have any issues. Anyway, there's your quick update, and thank you guys for watching.